full blast with the windshield. Yeah, you're good. Just get up here.
Go, go, truck, go.
I know, right? Oh my goodness.
That's a ton.
Wow. All right, slow down.
Get up on top of this hill.
It's right on top of the hill, Colt.
That sounds good.
Just stop and get ready to turn around. We're gonna be in some massive RFD winds. Colt, slow down.
Shit.
You can hear it. Rachel wrote on your window.
I took a point for this. 2 points.
Got those flashers on good. Thing's just barely moving. We need to watch out for this tornado to deviate. It looks like it might be coming right back. It might be coming at us, Colt. And just wait right here and see. Just barely 1/8 of a mile out there, maybe 300 yards. You can hear it very noticeably.